Hi, I'm Shilpa Shirodkar and you're watching me on the Times of India. मैं बिग बॉस की बहुत बड़ी fan हूँ.
Oh,
I've watched every season of Big Boss and so when they called it was like, oh my god, I could potentially get there and go into the house, and it all worked out, and I'm so happy that I'm going into my favorite shows. And of course, having him on the show, I think he's one of the best hosts we've seen on most of these reality shows, and I think that he's a very fair host. He doesn't spare you because you are his colleague or co-actor or whatever it is. I mean, he is
True.
truly, I personally feel very fair. My favorite is Shehnaz Gill. I think she is a very beautiful girl. She was herself and she was so real, through that whole journey of Big Boss.
True.
And I feel she's also a very good person, I feel. They're all very happy for me. They're very proud of me. And they just know that whatever I will do for myself. And, I'll just make them, and I know that I'm going to make them very proud. As a family, we are a very close-knit family.
yeah.
So they're all very supportive of me. So was my niece and my nephew as well. And I'm not really fearful of anything, but I know I'm going to miss my family too much because like मैं मेरी बेटी के साथ रोज बात करती हूँ, हस्बैंड को रोज मैसेज करती हूँ, बहन से रोज बात करती हूँ. So I think these are things that I will miss the most. And there will be times when I'll be in my weakest self.
Hello everyone, welcome to Times of India TV. I'm Vijay Tiwari and today I'm in conversation with the 90s star. हम सब की चहेती एक टाइम पे, हमने काफी दिनों से उनको पर्दे पर नहीं देखा है, but she is coming back on television with Big Boss season 18. Welcome to Times of India, ma'am.
Thank you so much for all the respect that you just gave me.
Yeah,
I
but
really appreciate it.
I have loved your films, चाहे वो आपके गाने हो आंखें के या फिर हम के सनम मेरे सनम, what song, and क्या लगे थे आपको बीच पे.
Thank you.
So tell me, how did this happen? Big Boss 18 कैसे मेकर्स ने कन्विंस कैसे कर लिया?
कन्विंस करने की कोई बात ही नहीं थी बिकॉज मैं बिग बॉस की बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ.
Oh,
I've watched every season of Big Boss, and so when they called, it was like, oh my god, I could potentially get there and go into the house, and it all worked out, and I'm so happy that I'm going into my favorite shows. Home.
but tell me, जिस तरीके से अभी now that you're a fan, तो मैं व्यूअर के पर्सपेक्टिव से आपसे पूछती हूँ कि over the years, अभी कुछ सालों में Big Boss has also gone through a transition जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा पर्सनल लाइफ के ऊपर स्क्रूटनी हो गई है. एक्सेस आ जाते हैं लोगों के, ऐसे फैक्टर्स लेके आए जाते हैं लोगों के बारे में, वो थोड़ा सा टेंशन देता है. हालांकि मतलब जिसकी नॉन कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल लाइफ है तो उसको तो बॉदर करने की जरूरत नहीं, बट आपको लगता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा स्क्रूटनी हो गई है जिसकी वजह से शायद
स्क्रूटनी तो हर चीज में होती है ना. आप ज्यादा किसी पे हंसो तो स्क्रूटनी होती है, अगर आप नहीं हंसो तो स्क्रूटनी होती है. तो लाइफ इज, people are scrutinizing your life any which ways.
Yeah.
So how does it matter? And आजकल everyone has the freedom to write what they want, and people read whatever they want and say whatever they want, and it's okay. Life is just become like that.
Yeah.
It doesn't really matter, I think.
And एक वो कंफर्ट फैक्टर है बिकॉज सलमान इज होस्टिंग. आई नो कि आप लोगों ने एक्चुअली टेक्निकली एक साथ कभी काम नहीं किया है, बट नम्रता हैज वर्कड विद हिम, तो आई एम श्योर कि आप जान पहचान तो होगी. और
जान पहचान है क्योंकि हम लोग एक ही फ्रेटर्निटी के को एक्टर्स है, को स्टार्स है. हम लोगों ने कभी एक साथ काम नहीं किया है. And I don't know Salman personally, so it will be incorrect to say that I'm in a very comfortable space. I'm in a comfortable space because I am very comfortable within myself. And of course, having him on the show, I think he's one of the best hosts we've seen on most of these reality shows. And I think that he's a very fair host. He doesn't spare you because you are his colleague or co-actor or whatever it is. I mean, he is truly, I personally feel very fair. He takes up for those who he thinks really needs that extra mentorship bolo ya confidence, when somebody is losing confidence. He talks about that issue and he talks about it in a very amazing tone and everything.
Yeah.
So I think he's superb, and nobody will deny the fact that he is the best host on
Big Boss.
Big Boss, yeah.
Yeah. Also, with celebrities, what happens कि usually एक perceived notion होता है उनके बारे में कि their life is perfect. और काफ़ी सारे स्टार्स तो दिखाने की भी कोशिश करते हैं कि लाइफ इज सो ब्यूटीफुल, सो परफेक्ट, बट व्हेन यू आर ऑन अ शो लाइक बिग बॉस जहाँ पे यू आर वॉच्ड 24/7, और आजकल तो विद सोशल मीडिया यू आर जज 24/7 बिकॉज लाइव लोग देखते हैं, हर चीज़ को बारीकी से देखते हैं. आजकल सोसाइटी भी बहुत सेंसिटिव हो गई है. जिस टाइम पे शायद हम पैदा हुए थे, हमें रेस किया गया था, उस टाइम पे इतनी सेंसिटिविटी हर चीज़ को लेकर नहीं थी. इज देयर एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रेशर और नर्वसनेस दैट आई विल बी वॉच 24/7, माई फ्लॉज विल बी ओपन फॉर पीपल टू जज?
The best part about it is I won't know anything. People will be judging, people will be writing. I won't even have a clue. By the time I come out, it'll be forgotten.
Yeah.
And honestly, the kind of profession we are, this is a byproduct of it.
Yeah.
You can't please the billions of people around the world, right? You do what you think is right, you say what you think is right, maintain dignity, maintain your self-respect, and just be there. I think today, by the grace of God and the journey that we've had in our lives, there will be so much, I should be carrying a lot more wisdom along with me in the house, and I just hope I'm able to use that at the right time, at the right place.
And have you watched as said you are a fan, तो आपने previous seasons तो देखे होंगे. आपका favorite season कौन सा रहा है?
Big Boss season 13, yes.
Yeah,
I think everyone's favorite.
Yeah.
People, I in fact, जब भी वो छोटे-छोटे reels या whatever आते हैं, मैं अभी भी देखती हूँ, it brings a smile on my face. And it takes me back कि अरे oh, I remember this episode, oh, I remember this contestant, like that.
So who was your favorite?
My favorite is Shehnaz Gill. I think she is a very beautiful girl. She was herself, and she was so real, through that whole journey of Big Boss.
True.
And I feel she's also a very good person. I feel. So कभी-कभी कोई चीज हम लोग छुपा ही नहीं सकते. तो ऐसा मुझे फीलिंग है कि वो बहुत सच्ची है.
Right. तो ओवर द ईयर शहनाज को छोड़कर कोई ऐसा जिसकी जर्नी आपको एज अ कंटेस्टेंट, एज अ विनर बहुत अच्छी लगी हो, अपार्ट फ्रॉम हर?
I used to like Gohar Khan a lot also. Although I've not followed, and she's obviously now doing a lot of television. She has a kid also and everything. But no one in particular ऐसे, मतलब I think people's memory is so short-lived.
Yeah.
You remembered until that time, and then you tend to forget because there's somebody else who takes over.
Yeah, right.
And that's how life generally is.
Yeah. Only with season 13, I think वो craze इतना
Yeah,
रहा वो
correct.
season का,
Yeah.
कि वो impact रहा है वो season
Absolutely.
का. What was the family's reaction when you informed them that you're going?
My husband and my daughter and my sister and my family is extremely proud of me. They are very happy, and it's like I said कि I've watched all the seasons. I used to always say कि मुझे यहाँ जाना है.
अच्छा, आप बोलते हो?
Yeah, I used to say this to my daughter भी बोलती थी, Mama, you should be going there. Especially जब झगड़े बिगड़े होते थे ना, तो how kids think that mothers are the most nagging people. They love to fight and they love to correct, and this is what. So she used to always say, Mama, you should get on this. So when it actually happened, she was like, oh my God, Mama, you're going on Big Boss. So I'm like, yeah, can you believe it? So they're very happy for me. My mantra, and my daughter keeps telling me, just go have a blast. There will be stuff that will happen in the house, but just be yourself.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to be myself, my best version.
And what about your sister's reaction, Mahesh Babuji's
They're
reaction?
all very happy for me. They're very proud of me, and they just know that whatever I will do for myself, and I'll just make them, and I know that I'm going to make them very proud. As a family, we are a very close-knit family.
Yeah.
So they're all very, very supportive of me. So was my niece and my nephew as well.
So you tell me, बिग बॉस एक ऐसा शो भी है जहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग आते हैं जो अपने वो 15 मिनट्स फेम के लिए भी आते हैं, एंड फॉर दैट दे कैन पोक यू, इंस्टिगेट यू टू एनी लेवल. आपको क्या लगता है कि वो वैसे सिचुएशंस में हाउ विल यू मेंटेन योर कंपोजर, क्योंकि वो इतने वो शायद से वो स्पेस ऐसा है बिग बॉस का दैट आफ्टर अ पॉइंट इट गेट्स नेगेटिव.
But I'll tell you something honestly, मैंने इतना ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं है कि घर में कैसा होगा, क्योंकि मुझे honestly पता नहीं है कौन जा रहा है घर. अगर मैं यहाँ बाहर बैठ के अगर एक स्टोरी बनाऊँ मेरे खुद के दिमाग में कि मैं घर में जाके ऐसा करूँगी वैसा करूँगी और वो वैसा नहीं हुआ, तो इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी इनकरेक्ट फॉर योर सेल्फ. सो आई एम गोइंग विद अ वेरी ओपन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. जैसा भी जो भी होता है, we'll figure it out at that time. I'm not saying I'm going to be in my best behavior at all times, because it is not humanly possible to do that. I may sometimes break down. I may probably sometimes be my shouting self or my screaming self, because we all have that side to us. And if y'all are going to judge me on it, fair. If it's just a phase in everyone's life. आज अगर साल में 3 सीजन्स आ सकते हैं, तो इंसान के पर्सनालिटी में भी चेंजेस हो सकते हैं, राइट? हम लोग जैसे आज है वैसे हम 10 साल पहले नहीं थे. सो इट्स ओके.
एंड घर का काम करने में, आप एक मॉम हैं तो घर का काम करने में तो आप कंफर्टेबल होंगे ही.
मैं घर का काम करने में कंफर्टेबल हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने शादी के बाद मेरी सारी जिंदगी, मोस्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ मैंने बाहर काम बिताई है. तो वहाँ पे ये जब प्रिविलेजेस जो है वो यहाँ पे होते हैं,
वहाँ पे तो नहीं,
वहाँ पे नहीं होते इतने प्रिविलेजेस. तो अपने आप में रहना या घर काम करना या एक हाउ इट इज, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ.
ट्रू.
बजट में रहना, ये सब अपनी जिंदगी का एक टाइम टेबल हो जाता है. So these things are not something that I am fearful of. And I'm not really fearful of anything, but I know I'm going to miss my family too much, because मैं मेरी बेटी के साथ रोज बात करती हूँ, हस्बैंड को रोज मैसेज करती हूँ, बहन से रोज बात करती हूँ. तो I think these are things that I will miss the most. And there will be times when I'll be in my weakest self. But और तब मुझे housemates की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी to give me that support and strength. और similarly जब उनको वो ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, then I'll always be there. So that's how I'm looking at how to spend time there.
But what are the things that Shilpa absolutely doesn't like or she can't tolerate or can't stand? I'm sure जैसे as humans beings हमारे कुछ होते हैं like unhygienic people, या फिर बहुत.
I'm a little finicky about cleanliness.
Yeah.
But I'm okay. I'm finicky about it. It's not that I hate it, but I'm a little finicky about it.
And as you said कि मैं मैंने अपना वो privilege नहीं रहा है और सारे काम किए हैं, घर संभाला है. यहाँ पर भी आप किचन में भी रहेंगी, वॉशरूम ड्यूटीज भी होती हैं, so वो सब आप कर लेंगे, आपको लग रहा है?
Yeah. I mean, it's see, अगर हम लोग ये अपने घर में कर सकते हैं, you're going into a home that if you go thinking it's your home,
तो फिर कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
It becomes a little easy. It only becomes difficult because the 16 people there are not thinking the same way. But then you adjust, right?
Yeah, it's a beautiful way to actually look at it.
Yeah.
But tell me, जैसे मैं बोल रही थी fights होते हैं घर में. आजकल तो ऐसे हो गया कि बिग बॉस का नाम निकलता है तो एक चीज होती है, या तो लव अफेयर्स या तो फाइट्स. ठीक है, तो उसको आप कैसे देखते हो? व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि ऐसे सिचुएशंस में हाउ विल यू मेंटेन योर कंपोजर, जहाँ पे पीपल आर फाइटिंग, देयर इज अ क्योटिक एटमॉस्फेयर, आप कैसे अपना कंपोजर मेंटेन करोगे? वो तो आपने सोचा होगा थोड़ा बहुत.
नहीं सोचा है, क्योंकि ये सब सिनेरियोज मेरे लिए बहुत नए हैं. तो जब वो सिनेरियो की आदत ही नहीं है, या अगर वो सिनेरियो अपने सामने हुआ ही नहीं है, तो हाउ कैन यू सोचो अबाउट इट? You'll only deal with it when it happens in front of you, right?
But Big Boss देखा है ना आपने, तो आपको.
Yeah, but I don't think, जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ कि हर सीजन Big Boss का अलग है. If you actually go to look at it, overall बोलोगे तो यहाँ लोग रोते हैं, लोग झगड़ते हैं, लोग ये, लेकिन every season is different from the other. So it's very difficult to say कि मैं उस बंदे की तरह घर में रहूंगी. And it's not fair also क्योंकि हर इंसान की personality अलग होती है. You know, everything is so different. So
और with Big Boss of late it has also started to happen कि social media influences have started to come in, जिसकी वजह से even if a TV personality or a Bollywood celeb is performing really well, लेकिन वो कहीं ना कहीं ultimately votes की बात आ जाती है and everyone goes there with a mindset to win the game. Will that, how do you look at it? जो ये अभी 2-3 साल
I also want to win the game. I also want to win the trophy and come back home. But I haven't strategized anything. I probably the only person who's entering the house with the least number of followers. But that's not going to pull me down or make me a weak person or say, oh my God, why am I even going there? I'm going there because I want to go there. I want to go there and I want to write a beautiful book of memories. I want to make some amazing friends and relationships and I want to have a good time because I think it's fab and it's my work. तो अगर मैं इतना सब सोच के बैगेज के साथ अंदर जाऊंगी तो फिर what's the फायदा of it? तो मैं बेटर हूँ कि मैं बाहर ही बैठ के रहूंगी. नहीं I don't have this, I can't do that and you know things like that.
Yeah. But what is your take in general about it when the show, अगर शो टीवी पे बन रहा है, do you think it is actually a right decision to get influencers and social media?
Why not? It's their work. I to think today I'm an actor. Today you're a journalist.
Yeah.
Tomorrow somebody else, he's a cameraman. My makeup dada is a makeup man. It's the individual professions that doesn't make them higher or smaller or anything like that.
Not in terms of smaller,
so I'm
but
saying
the voting gets affected.
No, but influencer also, it's their profession.
Yeah.
And they are today a very integral part of people's life.
Yeah, agreed.
So if they are coming on a popular show like Big Boss and they are also getting more popularity or the show is getting more popularity, I don't see anything wrong in it.
You know, but you know, audiences का ये एक take होता है कि like Pooja Bhatt or Ranveer Shore, their journeys have been so extraordinary, but ultimately बात वहीं पर आकर रुक जाती है कि votes, social media fan following किसकी, क्योंकि ultimately winner पॉपुलैरिटी पे डिसाइड होता है, पर्सनालिटी पे नहीं, जबकि गेम इज अबाउट पर्सनालिटी.
बिकॉज़ उन्होंने कहीं तो अपनी पर्सनालिटी दिखाई होगी ना. अभी जैसे 3 इन्फ्लुएंसर है, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जांपल. 3-4 इन्फ्लुएंसर आए 16 लोगों में. 3-4 इन्फ्लुएंसर में अगर एक ही इन्फ्लुएंसर एंड तक बचता है तो वो बाकी के 3 के इतने पॉपुलर नहीं थे. उन्होंने नहीं अच्छा परफॉर्म किया इसलिए वो आउट हो गए ना. तो वो एक इन्फ्लुएंसर जीत गया बिकॉज ही मस्ट हैव प्लेड वेल. सो गिव हिम क्रेडिट वेयर इज ड्यू. डोंट ओनली थिंक दैट ही इज वन बिकॉज ही इज एन इन्फ्लुएंसर. दैट्स नॉट राइट. यार उनके फॉलोअर्स ज्यादा है. it's unfair I feel to that person who has been there for so many weeks and worked hard to develop his personality into being the person that he is. तो गलत बात है कि अगर हम लोग सब अगर फॉलोअर्स पे ही रखे कि फॉलोअर्स है इसीलिए जीते हैं, फिर उनकी क्रेडिबिलिटी कुछ रहती ही नहीं है ना. आई थिंक इट्स नॉट फेयर टू दैट पर्सन.
ओके. एंड एनी डूज एंड डोंट्स दैट यू हैव गॉट फ्रॉम द फैमिली, स्पेशली आपकी डॉटर इतनी खुश है तो उन्होंने बोला है कुछ आपको कि मम्मा ऐसे करना ऐसे करना?
नहीं कुछ नहीं. वो कुछ नहीं बोलती. वो बोलती मम्मा गो हैव लॉट्स ऑफ फन.
बट एनी माइंडसेट, एनी डूज एंड डोंट्स फ्रॉम योर साइड दैट यू हैव थॉट कि मैं यू नो वीक नहीं पढ़ूंगी या फिर you know anything that you have thought? No, you're going as a clean slate.
Actually,
yeah,
I actually am. I'm not planning anything.
And talking about Salman, you know, जैसे कहते हैं कि वो आपने भी कहा कि इज द बेस्ट होस्ट एंड यू नो बहुत लोगों का ये भी मानना है कि उनको कोई रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकता बिग बॉस में. जब लेकिन वो वीकेंड के वार पे क्लास लेते हैं सबकी, वो एक चीज़ है आपको लगता है कि यू नो हाउ विल आई परफॉर्म एंड यू नो व्हाट विल बी द इंटरेक्शन?
Honestly, I'm not thought about it. But like I said, his fairness only is visible in the weekend. So as even an audience, I used to wait for Weekend Ka Waar because I used to want him to take up for this person or, you know, stand up for this person. And he always did. So that's why when I say that he is a good host and a very fair host, that's the space I come from.
Yeah.
So I'm not thinking कि I have to do this because I want him to talk. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है.
No. हाँ. And are you following Big Boss Marathi by any chance?
I've only seen a little bit of it. I haven't watched it so far, but I know it's doing extremely well.
Yeah, and Varsha
I think Ritesh is so good as a host. Sorry to cut you.
No, please. Yeah, because he came as a surprise package, you know.
Yeah.
Because Mahesh Manjrekar has done such a brilliant job as a host, and then he took over and he's been
So good.
amazing. Yeah, and he's doing it like extremely well, like Salman Khan.
Yeah.
Also, what has kept you away from screen or television? Television पे हमने आपको बहुत अच्छे shows में, 2 अच्छे shows में देखा है, which were अभी जो मुझे रिसेंटली याद है स्टार प्लस वाला और जी टीवी वाला जो एक मुट्ठी आसमान,
एक मुट्ठी आसमान,
and
सिलसिला and Savitri Devi on
Colors, yeah.
So actually what happened was I relocated with my family after Savitri Devi, and I was COVID के बाद we moved to London and all that. And so I've just been out and about, and I realized that I need to come back and I need to do something for myself because that's what keeps me happy. तो मुझे जब ये ऑफर आया तो everything worked out fine, and I'm going into the house now and hoping that just give me more and more opportunities in the future.
ऐसे कहते हैं बिग बॉस में जिसने किचन पे राज कर लिया वो घर पे कहीं ना कहीं राज कर लेता है, बिकॉज ऑल द विनर्स जो हैं, आप चाहे तेजस्वी प्रकाश को देख लो, गौहर खान को देख लो, दीपिका कक्कर को देख लो, दे हैव बीन किचन क्वींस. मतलब उन लोगों ने कुकिंग करा और फिर सबको प्यार से खिलाया, and they have just won.
और जो लड़के लोग जीते वो किचन नहीं संभाले.
नहीं, कुछ लोगों ने भी संभाला है, जैसे मुनव्वर. He also, in fact, उन्होंने घर में ही बनाना सीखा, and he used to cook a lot. तो ऐसे कंटेस्टेंट रहे हैं, इसीलिए कहा जाता है कि किचन plays a very important part. What do you have to say about that? Will we see your cooking skills there?
I hope I get it. I hope people like my food. I mean, I'm तो telling everyone I cook very well and all, but I don't know.
But घर पे तो reaction मिलता होगा ना, अच्छा बनाते होगे तो.
I tell you, मैंने जैसे सुबह मेरे टीम को बोल रही थी, मैंने कहा कि I cook very well, I know. और घर में अगर कोई फसी इंसान हो उसको भी मैं मैनेज कर सकती हूँ, बिकॉज माई हस्बैंड इज द फसीएस्ट.
ओके,
तो वो भी एक्सपीरियंस है. सो बट हाउ टू, इट्स डिफिकल्ट कि 16 लोगों की हाँ great. But I'm very comfortable cooking. I like to cook. I like to feed.
And what are the things that you can't absolutely share, because यहाँ पे घर में आपको टॉयलेट पॉट से लेके बेड तक शेयर करना पड़ता है, तो वो कोई एक है कि हाइजीन का प्रॉब्लम है, so I would no
not thought about it.
जाने से पहले मैं ज़रूर जानना चाहूँगी कि 3 things that you want to tell the audience before going inside or through your journey that you plan to at least spread a message about. So what would it be?
Well, I would like to tell the audience just one thing, that if you are watching Bigg Boss and if you do like how I am, because I hopefully, fingers crossed, will remain like this only, please do vote for me. Shower me with all your love and help me win the trophy and come out.
Yeah, and I hope कि ये हो कि आप जाएं अंदर और हमें वापस से एंटरटेन करें और ट्रॉफी के साथ ही बाहर आए.
Thank you so much.
And I want to also ask you one thing कि जैसे हम ऑफ लेट ट्रांजिशन की बात कर रहे हैं बिग बॉस की, एक ये भी आया है कि पहले के सीजन्स में वायलेंस वॉज टोटली नॉट अलाउड, लेकिन अभी धक्का मुक्की से शुरू हुआ था. लास्ट बिग बॉस OTT सीजन में समवन एक्चुअली स्लैप्ड द अदर पर्सन एंड ही वाज जस्ट नॉमिनेटेड फॉर द एंटायर सीजन, जबकि वो सबसे बेसिक एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट रूल है घर का, दैट वायलेंस इज नॉट अलाउड. व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दैट? एंड इफ इट हैपेंस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू इन द हाउस, how will you react?
When it happens na, I'll tell you.
But anything
because
you want to
I'm not, no, now I'll have to think about it. आज रात को मेरे को नींद नहीं आएगी. क्यों गॉड कि ऐसा हो सकता है, तो कैसे होगा? इसीलिए ना मैं मेरी टीम को बोली थी मुझे ये नहीं करना है. But no, jokes apart, I really haven't thought about it. All these experiences, all these things will happen, I'm sure.
Yeah.
But I'm unable to tell you how I will react that day because मैं इतने आगे का नहीं प्लान करती हूँ. जैसे मैंने कहा 16 अननोन लोग हैं. वो 16 अननोन लोगों के साथ इंडिविजुअली कनेक्ट करना, 16 हफ्ते बहुत छोटा टाइम है, बहुत थोड़ा टाइम है.
राइट. बट आपका वैसे टेक क्या है अगर वायलेंस अलाउड नहीं है एंड इट हैपेंस?
Well, I don't think that it should be allowed any which ways. कहीं पे भी, why on the show? In real life पे भी violence shouldn't be allowed.
True.
So I'm personally not a advocate for all these things, but I'm sure the production house and the channel knows what they're doing, and there will be some. They're very strict. Yeah, Big Boss is very, very. They know what they're doing. They're not someone to be so liberal about things. They're watching it for the last 17 years.
Yeah.
So people Emmy नहीं देखते, you know.
Yeah. Right. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was pleasure
Thank you.
talking to you,
Thank you
and
so
all the
much.
best for the show. जैसे मैंने कहा, hope you come out with the trophy.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much
much
for all your love and respect.
Thank you.
Thank you.